Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to relax your face quickly, and this will be the easiest tutorial on the subject matter. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Basically, if you want to relax your face, okay, whether you want to do it for a certain type of look or whether you want to do it for a specific type of like relaxed feeling to meditate or something like that, or for whatever reason you want to do it, this is the video for you. I'm going to be going over a few simple things that you can sort of do to get that face completely relaxed, okay? So without further ado, here are the things you got to do. Firstly, your lips have to be completely neutral. So basically, if you try and keep your lips straight, okay, then that's not completely neutral. So essentially, what I mean by your lips completely neutral is that your lips have no muscular force to them at all. So if I take my lips and I get them to be completely neutral, this is what they're going to look like. Sorry. This is what they're going to look like. I was trying to swallow, I guess, like my reflex was to swallow, but there was no saliva there at the same time as I was talking, so I kind of like, you know, it sounded weird. Anyways, if my lips were to be completely neutral, this is what they would look like. So I'm literally not using any force at all. I'm not trying to keep my lips straight. They're just ending up straight because I'm not using any muscular force at all. That's how my lips look, completely neutral. Okay, so that's the first thing. Secondly, you want to have your eyes completely neutral. So once again, if you try and get your eyes to be like sort of like a straight face, if you can imagine that, like almost like no motion, right? Then you're still going to be using muscular force on them to put them there. So for your eyes to be completely neutral, you just have to completely let them go. When my eyes are completely neutral, this is what they look like. So you see, I'm not trying to make them smaller. I'm not trying to make them bigger. I'm not trying to squint. I'm not trying to make them straight. I'm not trying to make them open wide. I'm just letting them be. So when I put those two together, my lips completely neutral and my eyes completely neutral, this is what it looks like. Okay, already my face is starting to relax. The third thing you have to think about is you want your jaw to be relaxed, okay? So once again, if you try and make your teeth touch, maybe that's not your natural position. If you try and make, them open, maybe that's not your natural position. So for your jaw, just let your teeth be. Just let your teeth be. Do not try and make them touch. Do not try and make them not touch. Just let your teeth be. When my jaw is relaxed, this is what it looks like. My teeth are not touching right now. If I try and make them touch, I'm using a little bit of muscular force to push them down because that's not where they naturally want to sit for me. Where they naturally want to sit when they're neutral and relaxed is just my teeth are slightly apart. So when I have my lips neutral, my eyes neutral, and my jaw completely relaxed, this is what it looks like. My face is so relaxed when I do that. The fourth and the final thing that you have to do is basically you have to get your cheek area to be completely neutral. So by that I mean this area all over here, okay? Now you can see I can actually move my ears. Take a look at that. It's a little bit easier probably with this side. But I can move my ears. So I have muscular control even over my ears. Pretty cool, eh? But anyways, I know you guys are probably, I didn't realize how often I say "eh." I don't say it that often, but I do say it sometimes. And I'm Canadian, right? So we don't say it often by any means. But it is something like when you say "pretty cool," you say "pretty cool, eh?" That's how I speak. And I didn't realize until I've seen other comments on other videos that they're like, "Oh, I can hear that you're Canadian." I'm like, what are you talking about? You can hear that I'm Canadian. How can you hear that I'm Canadian? And then I just realized, now I'm like, oh, that's why, because I guess other people don't say that. But anyways, it's pretty cool, eh? So you want to relax this whole area over here. Just let it be. Let it be neutral. Don't try and do anything with it. Just let it be neutral. Completely neutral. Okay? So when I do all of those things that I just outlined, okay, my face has no muscular force. My face has no pressure on it, and it allows my face to just relax. So when I bring it all together and do all of it at once, it's going to look like this. You'll see my face start to relax more and more as I sort of let things go. So just pay attention to my face and watch it relax. completely relaxed. I know that, you know, you might want to, oh, I'm going to keep my lips straight, but that's not the way to do it. You just got to let your lips be. Just let them be neutral, and it'll help you relax your face. And that's it. That's how to do it, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. And yeah, with that being said, I have nothing else to say, so with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is officially the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.